In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete recurring meetings in Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever set up a meeting that repeats and later realized it needs to stop, this walkthrough will show you the cleanest way to remove it going forward without disturbing your past calendar history. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website in the results to open Outlook on the web. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your account. Once Outlook loads, look for the calendar icon on the left sidebar and click it to switch from mail to calendar. This is where all your scheduled events live, including recurring ones. In your calendar view, locate the recurring meeting you want to remove. You can stay in month view or switch to week or day, whatever makes the event easiest to find. When you've found one of the occurrences, right-click the meeting. If you're using a trackpad and don't have a dedicated right-click, try a two-finger click or hold Control while clicking to bring up the context menu. From the context menu, move your cursor over Delete, but don't click just yet. Hovering here reveals options for what exactly you want to delete. Outlook gives you choices because recurring meetings are part of a series. You'll usually see options such as deleting only this event, deleting the entire series, or deleting this and all following events. These choices help you avoid removing something you still need. For this tutorial, choose this and all following events. This option keeps any past occurrences on your calendar for reference or record keeping, and removes the occurrence you selected along with everything after it in the series. It's a great choice when plans change mid-project and you only want to stop future meetings. After selecting that option, Outlook will ask you to confirm. Click Delete to finalize. If you're the organizer, Outlook may handle notifications so attendees know the upcoming instances are canceled. If you're not the organizer, you might only be removing it from your own calendar, depending on the event's permissions. That's it. The recurring series from this point forward is gone. As a quick tip, if your goal is different, the other menu options are there to help. Use only this event when you need to cancel a single occurrence, or entire series when you want to remove everything, past and future. But for stopping future meetings while preserving your history, this and all following events is the safest and most precise approach. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Outlook calendar neat and accurate.